Good morning guys, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop. So meron tayo ngayong ditong unit na i-review tsaka ito-test. Ito ay unit ni Sir Carlo. This is the Glock 17 ENC model Gen 5. So ito siya guys. Shoutout pala kay Sir Carlo. Yan, Glock 17 Gen 5. And markings. Yan, Glock 17 Gen 5. Austria 9x19. And then, sa grip, meron din siyang markings na Glock. Okay. So, ayan yung design ng kanyang sight. Then, sa kabilang, sorry. Sa kabilang side naman, ayan yung markings. Ayan. Okay, this is just a sticker. Ayan, nare-remove yan. Okay, and then, ayan, may ano siya, may thread din siya. May accessory railing. Ayan. Okay, so this is the magazine. So, ito po yung kanyang box. Ayan. ENC. Okay. So, ayan. Metal slider, polymer frame. Okay, and then it comes with the free BBs, 0.25 grams. And ito po yung, ano nyo sir? Free gas. Ayan. Number 12, standard power. And ito po yung order nyo na additional extra gas tank. Ayan. So, bali dalawang gas na yung kasama. Kasi yung isa is order nyo. Okay? So, ayan po ang inyong Glock 17 Gen 5. This is Gen 5, no? Generation. This is the latest generation of Glock 17. Okay? So, ayan. Gen 5. Before natin siya i-test, lagyan muna natin siya ng gas at BBs. Lagyan lang natin ng BBs. Ayan. Tapos maglalagay naman tayo ng gas. Okay. Okay, so before natin i-test far, yan, papakita ko lang sa inyo kung gaano kaganda yung unit nyo. Yan, ang malapitan. Ayan siya. Ayan. This is the Glock 17 Gen 5. Okay, by the way, nababaklas din siya, no? Ayan. It's the internals. Ayan, lubricated na rin po yan. So, babalik ko lang. Okay. So, ayan, test fire natin. Glock 17 Gen 5. Unit ni Sir Carlo. Okay, Glock 17 Gen 5 by ENC. Unit of Sir Carlo. Yan. Fire testing. Firing. Okay, so nag-open slide na po yan. So, ibig sabihin po niyan, wala na siyang bala. Release the magazine, pero may gas pa po yan. Ayan, matigas yung outlet valve, may gas pa po yan. Okay, so ang gawin nyo po para bumalik yung slide, ito, para bumalik sa original position niya, hatakin nyo lang and then release. Okay. Hammer down. Okay, okay na po Sir Carlo yung inyong unit, Glock 17 Gen 5 by ENC. Ayan, if you have more question regarding your unit, please message us sa aming Facebook page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Thank you po.